Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 4965 Americana Drive in Annandale, Virginia, and I am here to show Unit T2, which is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo for rent. A couple of things one thing I do want to mention right away, you do have parking here. I'm actually at the back of the building, and at the front of the building there's a lot more parking, but with the back, you have easy access to get into the condo. Show you around. This condo was recently updated. We're not far from Little River Turnpike. We're not far from 95. There's also a couple of bus stops that are a short walk. So you're not far from transportation. You're not far from getting places. So here we have the living room. Updated floors. The place was recently repainted. We have your kitchen, stainless steel appliances. There's also a lot of light in these rooms. You have your dining room area as well. Now, before I start showing the bedrooms, one thing I do want to mention as well, this is technically the front door of the condo. Just to show you a little bit. And the laundry is right over here, so you don't have to go far to do laundry. Now, this is the first bedroom that we'll come across. This actually was a den that has been converted into a bedroom. A closet was added, so you have extra space. Now, if you don't want to use this as a bedroom, this could be ideal for an office space, kids' playroom, for me, a video game lounge. I've even seen some people turn this into a little study. Little area for kids to do homework. There's a lot of options you could do with that room. Back to the kitchen, and just to show you the dining room again. Now we come through here. Do have a coat closet. There's actually, no, sorry, we have a closet storage space right over here. Coat closet's by the front door as well. So. And then here's the full bathroom. Okay, give you an idea. So I'm going to work my way around from this way, and then eventually we'll get to the primary bedroom. Here's the second bedroom. This is the second largest of the bedrooms. And then the storage space, closet. Okay, we'll get to now this is technically I guess you could call it the fourth bedroom. This is the smallest of all the bedrooms. And closet space that's available. Now you do have your linen closet right here as well. For the closet space that's over here, I've seen some people use it as a pantry. I've seen some people use it as a linen closet. I've seen people also turn it into both. Now here we are in the primary bedroom. And then here we have a half bath. And then the closet space. Now, if you are interested, just reach out to me. My contact information is in the bottom below this video. If you have an agent, just have them reach out to us too as we can set up a showing. But again, if you have any questions, also feel free to ask. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.